Leica DISTO D2. How to use the intelligent endpiece. This video will show you how to measure using our DISTO D2 endpiece in different measuring situations. By default, distance is measured from the rear of the device to the laser dot. This is shown on the device symbol on the display. When you flip up the endpiece, creating a 90, the orientation of the endpiece is automatically detected and the 0 point is adjusted accordingly. You can hook it onto a corner so that you know you are getting an accurate measurement straight from the back of the unit. The last position for the multifunctional endpiece is fully extended. This is set by moving the endpiece in the direction of the arrows. In this orientation, distance is measured from the far end of the endpiece. This helps when you have to measure from a very narrow profile, notches, corners, or out of a window structure. You can also see the reference on the device symbol. This is ideal when you're trying to determine a diagonal. To do this, use min-max mode. Just hold down the On Dist button for 2 seconds. Put the endpiece in the corner, wait for the beep twice, sweep the corner, and then press again to stop measuring. The largest measurement at the top is the measurement of your diagonal. The other way to adjust the measuring reference is to use the reference key. Press it once to take the next measurement from the front of the device. This can be useful if you have a very short distance to measure. Hold down the reference key for 2 seconds, and referencing from the front is set permanently. Press the reference key again to permanently switch back to the default measuring from the rear setting. See you in the next how-to.
Stanley's lineup of laser distance measurers touts a variety of functions and applications. The TLM330 is the LDM for heavy pros, encompassing 15 measuring functions. This contains all of the advantages of the TLM99 and the TLM165, but with even more capabilities, such as the ability to measure from a tripod, a digital leveling feature with an inclination sensor, a stakeout function, and smart horizontal mode. The TLM330 has 4 measuring reference points on the front, back, standout endpiece, and the tripod thread. The button with the LDM picture allows you to change the settings to measure from the front, back, or tripod thread, and extending the fold-out endpiece automatically updates the unit's settings to measure from its end. The digital leveling feature identifies the position for accurate measurements. This eliminates human error by ensuring the distance measured is at the right angle, and can also act as your everyday leveling tool or angle finder. The button with the percentage sign and triangle allows you to use this as a level, and continuously displays the inclination of the device. Faster beeps indicate you are getting closer to 0 degrees. The TLM330 also touts a stakeout function which allows you to measure equidistant points. For example, this tool can be used to help when putting up a fence. You will need to have your posts equal distance from each other. Set the LDM to stakeout mode by pushing the same button as the leveler twice, then program the measurement you want to find. In this example, you could program the LDM to 5 feet. Start at the first post and walk backwards. Every time you get close to 5 feet, the LDM will start beeping to signal you've reached the desired distance. At 5 feet, mark your measurement and continue this pattern until you've finished measuring out your fence posts. If an obstruction blocks the path of the distance you want to measure, you can use the smart horizontal mode to calculate this distance. Use the button that displays an LDM measuring above a wall. When pointing to a spot above your target, this feature will automatically use the angle and distance to calculate the measurement straight ahead as if there were no obstruction.
DEWALT laser distance measurers deliver precise measurements in a product built with the durability that has become expected of DEWALT. The DEWALT DW03050 laser distance measure offers the user a range of 165 feet. It automatically calculates rectangular area and volume to make job estimates quick and easy. Using the Pythagorean theorem, it calculates indirect height even when point A and or B are not accessible for linear measurement. The two lines of text on the backlit display are easily viewed in both dim and bright conditions. The DEWALT DW03101 laser distance measurer boasts a range of 330 feet. In addition to rectangular area and volume calculations, the DW03101 has the capability to calculate triangular areas. An integrated inclinometer can be used as a digital level. The inclinometer also allows the LDM to calculate continuous height and to measure indirect horizontal distances. It also features Pythagorean functionality. A large 3-line display is easily visible in both dim and bright work conditions. The unit has enough built-in memory to store the last 20 measurements taken by the user. A multifunctional end piece folds out 90 degrees for measurement from an edge. The end piece also extends 180 degrees for measurements from corners. Both units have an IP65 water debris rating and have been drop tested from 6 feet. Rely on a trusted name that's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Rely on DEWALT.